The Polish Museum of America and the National Maritime Museum in Gdańsk present the exhibit 100 Years of Polish Sailing from August 17th to March 15th, 2025. The exhibit presents the Polish sailing community and documents various historic voyages, including the voyages of Dal and Poleszuk. Both of these yachts had their final ports of call in Chicago. Among the various objects are windswept flags, models of sailing vessels from the 1939 World's Fair, souvenirs related to the Sea League of America and the Polish Yacht Association, as well as memorabilia related to the Joseph Conrad Yacht Club and Polish Yacht Club Chicago. We invite you to the gala opening of the exhibition at the Polish Museum of America on Friday, August 16th.